Okay. So guys, now we are starting with today's session. ठीक है, आज के सेशन में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, what we will do today. Okay, we will understand, option buying setup. एक हम लोग intraday में option buying setup we will discuss for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let me show you the class outline. Okay, what we are going to cover in today's session. Okay, just a minute. Okay, here you can see now. So this is the class outline. देखिए आज का जो setup है, okay, it is based on central pivot range. Now CPR is one of the price based indicator. So आप में से कितने जनों को CPR पता है, or you are learning for first time? Okay, अगर आप first time सीख रहे हैं, okay, you can type first time in chat box. Okay, let me see how many of you are learning CPR indicator for the first time today. Okay, so अगर आप पहली बार सीख रहे हैं CPR, you can type first time in chat box. Okay, Raj is learning first time. So today's setup is based on CPR. इसको what I will do, I will first give you the introduction to CPR. Okay, CPR क्या होता है, इसको हम ग्राफ पे कैसे प्लॉट करते हैं, okay, that we will see. Now as a trader, देखिए why we should use CPR, अपने को CPR यूज क्यों करना चाहिए, इसके दो मेजर एडवांटेजेस हैं. Okay, number one, we can predict the biasness. Okay, हम पता कर सकते हैं whether price is having a bullish bias or bearish bias. Second advantage है, we can also predict, okay, whether the day will be sideways or we can expect a trending day. Okay, आज का ट्रेडिंग सेशन कैसा रह सकता है, आज के दिन प्राइस क्या पूरा दिन साइडवेज बिहेव करेगी या हम कुछ ट्रेंड एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो ये भी हम सीपीआर से पता कर सकते हैं. सो दीज टू आर मेजर बेनिफिट्स ऑफ यूजिंग सीपीआर. सो फर्स्ट आई विल गिव यू द इंट्रोडक्शन. ओके, व्हाट इज सीपीआर, इसको ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्लेटफॉर्म पे कैसे हम लोग ऐड कर सकते हैं, and then we will understand ascending and descending CPR. So ascending descending CPR से you can predict the biasness. Okay, bullish bias, bearish bias, ये हम predict कर सकते हैं. Then we will understand white and tight CPR. तो white and tight CPR से we can predict the day will be sideways or we can expect a trending day. So CPR, just help us to develop a view. CPR अपने को सिर्फ view develop करने में काम आता है. Okay, we will not open any trade only based on CPR. So what we will do, we will open the trade based on our setup. So I will show you this setup at the end, Nifty and Bank Nifty setup. So अगर हमारा setup, okay, CPR के साथ match हो रहा है, so that will be double confirmation. Okay, if our setup and CPR both are giving same signal, then we can, open the trade with confidence. तो trade के work होने के chances अच्छे होते हैं. So with this note, okay, let me show you what CPR is. तो यहां पर आप फुल फॉर्म देख सकते हैं CPR का, you can see here. The full form of CPR is central pivot range. Now let me show you the graph directly. Okay, once we add CPR, this is how our graph is going to look. Now here you can see the three horizontal lines, okay, in blue color. So these three lines are known as CPR lines. Okay, इन तीन lines को हम CPR lines कहेंगे. So we will study these three lines one by one. So I will start with line in middle. Now line in middle, you can see इसको हम कहते हैं pivot line. Okay, the letter P stands for pivot. So you can also call this as a central pivot. इसको आप main pivot भी कह सकते हैं. Now the word pivot means reversal point. ठीक है, pivot word का मतलब क्या है? Pivot word का मतलब है reversal point. So take for example, अगर price ऊपर से नीचे आ रही है, so it can take support at pivot and then you can expect a bounce. In the same way, अगर price नीचे से ऊपर जा रही है, it can take resistance at pivot and यहाँ से again you can expect a downtrend. So remember this point, the word pivot means reversal point. अब pivot के नीचे जो आपको लाइन दिख रही है, इसको हम कहेंगे bottom CPR. So BC stands for bottom CPR. Pivot के ऊपर, okay, जो आपको लाइन दिख रही है, this is top CPR. TC means top CPR. So when I'm saying CPR, okay, it includes three lines. The line in middle is pivot. The line at bottom is bottom CPR. The line at top is top CPR. Now we can also calculate, okay, CPR line values. In line की values को हम calculate भी कर सकते हैं. So here you can see the formula. Okay, this is the mathematical formula we can use to calculate CPR. Now practically speaking, see, you are not required to do all these calculation. ये calculation आपको करने की need नहीं है because CPR is ready indicator. Okay, trading view platform पे I will show you how we can add CPR. But if you are learning, CPR for first time, तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. At basic level as a trader, you should know how CPR lines are calculated. Now, in order to calculate, CPR line values, what we will do, we will use previous trading session data. हम लोग पिछले दिन की डेटा को यूज करेंगे. So take for example, tomorrow is Wednesday. If I have to calculate CPR for Wednesday, I will use Tuesday trading session data to come up with CPR for Wednesday. So which data we will use? See, we will use previous day high, we will use previous day low, and we will use previous day close. So I need these three data points. Okay, PDH, PDL, and previous day close. So let me show you how to calculate pivot. Pivot हम कैसे calculate करेंगे? Okay, take previous day high. Okay, take previous day low. Take previous day close. Add all three values and divide this with 3. So pivot is the average of PDH, PDL, and previous day close. Now, how to calculate bottom CPR? Take previous day high. Okay, take previous day low and divide this with 2. So bottom CPR is the average of previous day range. जो भी पिछले ट्रेडिंग सेशन की रेंज थी उसका हम एवरेज फाइंड कर रहे हैं. ओके, दैट इज बॉटम सीपीआर. एंड व्हेन यू यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला, जब आप फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, ओके, यू विल गेट टॉप सीपीआर. सो वंस अगेन, दीज कैलकुलेशंस आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू. सो दिस वाज जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज पर्पस. ओके, एज अ ट्रेडर आपको ये समझना है हम सीपीआर को यूज कैसे करें. ओके, व्हाइल टेकिंग ट्रेड्स. सो सीपीआर वर्क्स लाइक सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू कैन नोट डाउन समवेयर. सीपीआर कैसे काम करता है? सीपीआर सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस की तरह काम करता है. इन सम ट्रेडिंग सेशंस यू विल सी, okay, price is taking very good support at CPR. In some trading sessions you will find price is taking resistance at CPR. Now even in this graph, यहां पर भी अगर आप अच्छे से चेक करेंगे, see, price is taking support at top CPR. Price is not going below top CPR in entire day. So remember this point. Okay, CPR कैसे काम करता है? CPR work like support and resistance. Now let me show you इसको हम ऐड कैसे करते हैं ग्राफ पे. So this is trading view platform. Okay, you can go to indicators. यहाँ पर आपको indicators section दिख रहा है. Click here, you can go to indicators, and in search column what you can do, you can type, okay, pivot range. Now when you type pivot range, you will get a very big list. इसमें से आपको ढूंढना है pivot range, pivot boss. Okay, this indicator we will use for CPR. Okay, इसका आप screenshot ले सकते हैं. You can take a screenshot as of now. Okay, so the name of indicator on trading view platform is pivot range, pivot boss. So when you click here, okay, you will get the CPR in the background. So I will close this window. You can see this is CPR lines. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको 3 dotted lines दिख रही है. You can see. Okay, so this is today's session CPR. Okay, आज के session का ये CPR था. Now here I am using 15 minutes time frame. See, we can use any time frame. Okay, we can use 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, CPR line values will remain same. Okay, these values will not change because CPR हमने कैसे calculate किया? By using previous trading session data, previous day high, previous day low, previous day close. So those data points will not change. So you can use any time frame. So to show you, I'm using this 15 minutes time frame. Now you can also read CPR line values. Okay, from where you can read from here. Okay, these are the CPR line values. So these are the dotted lines. Can you see the line in middle is in pink color? And very first value here you can see is also written in pink color. So that value is for pivot. The first value I can read, it is 18,059. So in today's trading session, okay, आज के trading session में main pivot की value क्या थी? 18,059. Next value I can see it is 18,038. So 18,038 is bottom CPR because that is the lowest value. Okay, तीनों में से lowest value है 18,038. Next value I can see it is 18,080. So 18,080 is top CPR. Okay, so once again 18,059 main pivot, 18,038 is bottom CPR, 18,080 is top CPR. Yes, Akshay sir, you can check again. So go to indicators. आप indicators में जाइए, and in search you can type pivot range. Okay, when you type pivot range, okay, here you can see the option. pivot range, pivot boss. Okay, so this indicator you can select. Okay, pivot range, pivot boss. Now, if you are using, let's say, Zerodha platform, अगर आपको Zerodha पे check करना है, okay, this is Zerodha platform, you can see. Okay, you can go to studies. आप studies में जाइए, and here you can type central. Okay, here you will get the indicator. Okay, central pivot range. So in Zerodha, you can also select this indicator, central pivot range. Okay, when you select central pivot range, you will get the indicator on graph. Okay, now this was simple introduction. Okay, what is CPR? So important point to remember, guys, CPR work like support and resistance. Now we will move to the important concept of CPR. Okay, ascending and descending CPR. So from ascending and descending CPR, what we can do, we can find out the biasness. Okay, whether price is having a bullish bias or whether price is having a bearish bias. ये हम ascending descending CPR से पता कर सकते हैं. First, what I will do, I will explain you the concept of ascending CPR. See, I have hide the prices. मैंने prices को hide किया है. We only have CPR lines. Okay, to make you understand the concept of ascending CPR. Now, what I will do, I will compare two trading sessions back to back. Okay, I will pick two trading sessions. Let's say this is 18 and this is 19. ये दो trading sessions को compare करते हैं. See, on 19th, can you see bottom CPR is above? Okay, previous day top CPR. Okay, 19th को मुझे bottom CPR ऊपर दिख रहा है पिछले दिन के top CPR से. So I can say on 19th, you know, this is ascending CPR. Okay, 19th को कौन सा CPR बना है? 19th को ascending CPR बना है. Now compare 19 and 22. ये दो CPR आप compare कीजिए. Same thing you can see here. Bottom CPR is above. Okay, previous day top CPR. So on 22 also I can say this is ascending CPR. Now compare 22 and 23, ascending CPR. 23 and 24, ascending CPR. So back to back, if you see ascending CPR, okay, this means uptrend. Okay, price is in uptrend. So there is a bullish bias. And this CPR can work like support. Okay, in intraday, very high chances price can find support near CPR. Now descending CPR will be opposite. So this is 17th and this is 18th. We will compare these two sessions. See, on 18th, top CPR is below. Okay, previous day bottom CPR. 18th को top CPR नीचे है पिछले दिन के bottom CPR से. So on 18th, this is descending CPR. Now compare 18 and 19. Okay, again you can see this is descending CPR. Okay, top CPR is below previous day bottom CPR. Now compare 19 and 20. Again, you can see this is descending CPR. So back to back, when you see descending CPR, okay, this means downtrend. Okay, price is moving in downtrend. There is a bearish bias. And in intraday, you know, price can take resistance near CPR. This CPR can work like resistance in intraday. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay. So you can ignore the spam link in the chat box. Okay. So we will move ahead. Now this is the graph, okay, in front of you. CPR along with candles. Okay, आपको CPR भी दिख रहा है, यहाँ पर आपको candles भी दिख रही है. Okay, so look at the from this trading session. This is 27th. तो 27 से आप इसको check कीजिए till 8th. Okay. Can you see back to back we have ascending CPR? Okay, back to back कौन सा CPR बना है? You can see here. It is ascending CPR. And see price is also moving in uptrend. Okay, price भी कैसे move कर रहा है? Price भी एक uptrend में move हो रहा है. Now focus on 4th. Okay, especially आप 4th पे ध्यान दीजिए. So on 4th, can you see here? This is ascending CPR. Bottom CPR ऊपर है पिछले दिन के top CPR से. Now initially what happened in intraday? You can see Nifty came down. Okay, exactly took support at CPR and it bounced in big way. तो अगर आपको candle pattern का knowledge है, you can see we have a engulfing candle. Okay, this is bullish engulfing plus CPR is support. Same price behavior you can see repeated here on 8th. Okay, Nifty came down, took support at CPR and bounced. So this was also ascending CPR. Okay, time frame, Mahesh ji, I'm using 15 minutes here. So this is how, price can work like support in intraday. So ascending CPR work like support. Okay, now we will see Bank Nifty. Okay, we will see this. I will again hide the price. Okay, let me hide the price and show you the CPR now. See. Okay. Now look at from here. Okay, आप 4th January से check कीजिए. 4th, this is 5th. Okay, this is 6th and this was 9th. So what you will say? इसको आप क्या बोलेंगे? इसको आप ascending CPR कहेंगे कि descending? Okay, if you see these 4 trading session CPR 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can type in chat box. Okay, 4th, 5th, 6th, and this is now 9th January. So this is ascending or descending CPR. Okay, you will get CPR for tomorrow 9:15. Okay, tomorrow when market will start 9:15. Okay, you will get the CPR. Okay, perfect. This is descending CPR. And now you can see, how prices reacted on this 4 sessions, in these 4 sessions. Okay, see. Yeah, today it formed ascending CPR, but price goes down. Okay, so that I will explain why. As I told you in the beginning, सिर्फ CPR के basis पे we will not open any trade. Okay, CPR just help us to develop a view. So here you can see now, this was descending CPR. CPR worked like resistance. Okay, on this day also you can see CPR worked like resistance. Okay, now see, this is also a descending CPR, correct? But can you see we got uptrend yesterday? Reason being because opening is also very important. Okay, just because we have a descending CPR, okay, does not mean we will get a short trade. Also check the opening, price open kahan par bhi hai. So this is descending CPR when you compare with previous trading session. But can you see opening we got above CPR? Okay, price open kahan par bhi? CPR ke upar. And in first candle you can see price failed to go below CPR. So this was the bullish bias. That's why you can see we got uptrend. Today, look at what happened. Again, this was ascending CPR. Opening was also above CPR, but price didn't sustain. Okay, in first candle, you can see it came below CPR and it went down. Okay, so opening is also very important. Okay, zero DA में कैसे add करेंगे आप CPR? You can go to studies. Okay, so let me show you. यहाँ पर मैंने दिखाया था zero DA starting में. Okay, this is studies. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको central type करना है. Okay, then you will get this CPR, central pivot range. So this is for zero DA, Raju sir. Okay, studies में जाके central pivot range, तो आपको ये इंडिकेटर मिल जाएगा. Okay, now we will understand next concept. Okay, wide versus tight CPR. तो wide CPR से हमको क्या समझेगा? What we can understand, from wide CPR. Let's see. So first I will explain wide CPR. See, this is Nifty again on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, look at this CPR. This is 16th trading session. Okay, all 3 CPR lines, can you see they are very far away from each other. तीनों CPR lines में एक अच्छी खासी गैप आपको दिख रही है. So इसको हम कहते हैं wide CPR. Okay, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Wide. So when you see, all 3 CPR lines, they are very far away from each other. This is wide CPR. And wide CPR indicates, the day can be sideways. Okay, very high chances today price can move completely flat. Okay, आज के दिन में price कैसे behave करेगा? Completely flat. So if you are an option buyer, अगर आप option buyer है, then do not buy options, okay, on wide CPR day, because options are depreciating assets. With passage of time, what happened? Call option premium, put option premium decrease. Okay, this is called as time decay, theta decay. So wide CPR ke din, the strategy should be, option selling strategy. So if you are an option seller, you can sell options on wide CPR day. Now see what happened on tight CPR. This is tight CPR. This is 20th trading session. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे तो all 3 CPR lines, they are very close to each other. The gap between all three CPR line is so narrow, it is looking like a single line. देखिए यहाँ पर 3 lines नहीं दिख रही. I can see this one single line. So this is called as a tight CPR. या इसको आप कह सकते हैं narrow CPR. Now tight CPR indicates trending day. Okay, chances are today you see a trend, one side trend. This trend can be on upside, this trend can be on downside. So as an option buyer, okay, this tight CPR is very good. Okay, tight CPR is very good day to buy option, because as the option buyer we want momentum, we want price to move one side. तो ऐसा कब हो सकता है? टाइट CPR के दिन. But if you are an option seller, then this wide CPR day is very good day for you, because very high chances the day will be sideways and you can earn option premiums. So this is the best part of using CPR. 9:15 जैसे ही market start होगा, you will come to know whether we have a wide CPR or we have a tight CPR, whether we have a ascending CPR or we have a descending CPR. So you can form a view. Okay, within 1 minute आपका view develop हो जाएगा. But once again, we will not take a trade just based on CPR. CPR के basis पे trade open नहीं करना है. CPR सिर्फ view develop करने में काम आ रहा है. We will open the trade based on our setup. अगर हमारा setup CPR दोनों same signal दे रहे हैं, that will be double confirmation. Okay, 19th को भी this is descending CPR. Okay, this is descending CPR. Now see how price behaved. See here. What happened on wide CPR? The day was sideways. Okay, bottom CPR worked like support, and main pivot you can see it worked like resistance. Price was just moving between these two lines. So this was sideways day. And see what happened on tight CPR day. One side price action you can see. From first candle, okay, till last candle you can see Nifty was one side. So this is called as a trending day. So such type of trending days you can see on tight CPR. Now the question is whether wide CPR and tight CPR will work every time. The answer is no. Okay, it can work 5 to 6 times. Okay, 5 से 6 बार ये काफी अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं out of 10 times. महेश जी, this is price action. Price action never gets old. Okay, यहाँ पर हमने अभी recent example भी देखा. Okay, see this is the last 3 to 4 recent examples. Okay, so focus on learning part. We will come up to the latest example also. Do not worry. Okay, price action never goes old. So you can take a screenshot. अब यहाँ पर आप screenshot ले सकते हैं. This is what we have covered till now. Ascending CPR means what? Uptrend. Okay, descending CPR means downtrend. Wide CPR क्या indicate करता है? The day will be sideways. And tight CPR क्या indicate करता है? The day will be trending. Okay, you can take a screenshot if you wish. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me open another PPT for you. Okay, now see this is Nifty from 25th November to 30th November. Okay, look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ये 4 trading sessions देख के आप क्या कहेंगे? Ascending or descending CPR? Okay, quickly type in chat box what you will call this. These 4 trading sessions CPR, ascending or descending? Right, this is ascending CPR. Can you identify wide CPR? Okay, इन चारों में से wide CPR कौन सा है? Which one is a wide CPR? Okay, Mahesh sir, you can try once again. Which one is a wide CPR? Perfect. First one, you can see this is looking like a wide CPR. And look at the fourth one. Fourth one is a tight CPR. Okay, now see what happened. Okay, on 25th November, you can see gap up opening. Okay, after gap up, the day was sideways. Okay, even after gap up, it went sideways. And see what happened on 30th. From first candle, okay, till last candle, you can see it was trending day. Okay, CPR worked like support, you can see. Why it worked like support? Because this was ascending CPR. Okay, when you compare this CPR with previous trading session CPR, So this was ascending and it worked like support and we got trending day also. Okay, so I hope this CPR part is very clear. Now we will move to our main setup. Okay, how to take a trade, finally strategy time that we will see. So again, if you wish, you can take screenshot. जितने भी rules हैं setup के मैंने यहाँ पर summarize किए. Okay, rules of intraday trading in NIFTY and in Bank Nifty. Yes, Mahesh ji, you can take a screenshot. Okay, you can take screenshot of this slide. Okay, now time frame, you can see guys, we will trade this setup on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, 5 minute के time frame पे trade करेंगे. Very first step, what you will do, you will add CPR indicator and then look for narrow or average CPR. Okay, avoid wide CPR. As I told you, wide CPR means the day can be sideways. तो ये setup शायद अच्छे से काम नहीं करे on wide CPR day. So what we will do, we will trade this setup on narrow CPR day or average CPR day. So what is average CPR? See, average means if CPR is not looking like narrow, if CPR is not looking like wide, तो इसको हम कहेंगे average CPR. So average CPR is also okay. Okay, narrow CPR is best for us. So just avoid wide CPR. So we will go slow. Okay, कुछ slides में CPR पे still I want to focus. Then I will take another rule. Okay, second rule बाद में हम लोग check करते हैं. So you can see here 1, 2, 3. Okay, as a trader आपको पहले CPR को interpret करना आना चाहिए. You should learn, how to read CPR. तो जब भी आप graph open करें, so always compare, CPR for last 3 to 4 trading sessions. जैसे यहाँ पर मैंने last 3 trading sessions निकाले. See, this is descending CPR. And look at the third one. इसको हम कैसे read करेंगे? How to read this CPR? इसको हम read करेंगे descending plus tight. Okay, Mahesh ji, not only tight but descending plus tight. Okay, अब descending plus tight क्या indicate करता है? Descending plus tight indicate करता है we may see a short trade on this day. Okay, ये दिन पे शायद अपने को एक short trade मिल सकता है. Why short trade? Because CPR descending बन रहा है. So this is a downtrend. Okay, bearish bias और ऊपर से tight CPR भी है. तो एक trend भी दिख सकता है. And very high chances वो trend कौन से direction में होगा? Down direction में. You will see a trending day on downside because of descending CPR. Now look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is ascending CPR. Okay, look at this one. Wide CPR, very wide. Bigger the wide CPR, very high chances the day will be sideways. Now look at this one. इसको हम read करेंगे ascending plus tight. So ascending plus tight indicates ये दिन पे आपको एक long trade मिल सकता है. We may see a good long trade on this day. Okay, look at the first one. First one is also a tight CPR. Look at the second one. इसको हम कहेंगे average CPR. Okay, this is not narrow, this is not wide. तो ये हो गया average CPR. So average CPR is also okay. Okay, tight CPR is best for us. And this is wide CPR we will avoid. So I hope now the CPR part is very clear. Okay, now we will move to next rule. Okay, आज का CPR आप देखिए, आज का CPR क्या था, ये हमने पॉइंट डिस्कस किया अजय सर. आज का CPR आप देखेंगे असेंडिंग था. ओके, ओपनिंग कहां पर हुई? प्राइस ओपन हुई CPR के ऊपर but did not sustain. Okay, that's why you can see we got a downtrend. Okay, now after CPR, okay, what we can do, we can look for previous day or previous 2 days major reversal level. Okay, our entire setup is based on this condition, guys. Okay, how to confirm, how to match, this condition with CPR, वो भी समझेंगे. So CPR सिर्फ आपको help करेगा to develop a view. Okay, so what are major reversal level? अब major reversal levels क्या होते हैं? See, major reversal levels are nothing but they are PDH and PDL. Okay, previous day high and previous day low. So at times, what will happen? Nifty, Bank Nifty, okay, will form a day high. Day high बनने के बाद you will see a big fall in opposite direction. Nifty, Bank Nifty will form a day low. Okay, day low बनने के बाद you will see a big recovery in opposite direction. So उस दिन का day high, उस दिन का day low, okay, they are very important. बिकॉज वहां से प्राइस ने एक यू टर्न लिया है, ओके, प्राइस ने वहां से एक टर्निंग पॉइंट लिया. सो दोस पॉइंट्स आर नोन एज मेजर रिवर्सल लेवल्स. सो लेट मी शो यू वन एग्जांपल. ओके, एक दो एग्जांपल हम लोग देख लेते हैं. सो अगेन आई विल शो यू द रीसेंट एग्जांपल आल्सो, बट फॉर लर्निंग पर्पस फोकस ऑन दिस एग्जांपल. ओके, दिस इज बैंक निफ्टी ऑन 5 minutes टाइम फ्रेम. नाउ कैन यू क्विकली आइडेंटिफाई द डे लो, कहां पर प्राइस ने डे लो फॉर्म किया. आप नीचे टाइम इंटरवल्स देख सकते हैं. ओके, बिटवीन 12 to 12:30, 12:30 to 1 to 1:30. ओके, कहां पर प्राइस ने एक डे लो फॉर्म किया. ओके, वेयर प्राइस हैव मेड अ डे लो. ओके, कहां पर डे लो फॉर्म हुआ है. ओके, प्लीज टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स, लेट मी सी. ओके, जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई डे लो. परफेक्ट, बिटवीन 12:30 to 1. ओके, लुक एट दिस कैंडल. ओके, ये कैंडल ने डे लो फॉर्म किया. नाउ सी व्हाट हैपेंड. यहां से यू कैन सी अ वेरी बिग रिकवरी इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सी दिस इज नॉट अ स्मॉल रिकवरी. बैंक निफ्टी बाउंस्ड 500 to 600 points after this candle low. So that's why this candle low is very important. So as a trader, what I will do, I will draw one horizontal line. Okay, I will note down the level. This is 40,360. अब ये लेवल को हम क्या कहेंगे, ये लेवल को हम कहेंगे मेजर रिवर्सल लेवल, और यू कैन कॉल दिस एज अ डिमांड जोन. ओके, इसको आप क्या कह सकते हैं, इसको आप कह सकते हैं डिमांड जोन, बिकॉज वी गॉट वेरी बिग रिकवरी इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. नाउ दिस लेवल इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी फॉर नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन. ओके, ये लेवल कब काम आएगा आपको, अगले दिन काम आएगा. ओके, दिस लेवल विल हेल्प मी नेक्स्ट डे. सो इन नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन अगर बैंक निफ्टी ये लेवल ब्रेक कर रहा है 40,360 ऑन डाउन साइड, ओके, आई कैन ओपन अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड. ओके, जैसे ही डिमांड जोन ब्रेक हुआ अगले दिन हम एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड ओपन कर सकते हैं. वी कैन गो शॉर्ट, ओके, बिलो दिस लेवल. ओके, दिस इज द डिमांड जोन. नाउ इन द सेम वे कैन यू फाइंड आउट डे हाई. कौन सी कैंडल ने डे हाई फॉर्म किया. सी दिस इज द फर्स्ट कैंडल. ओके, यू कैन काउंट द नंबर ऑफ कैंडल 1 2 3. ओके, एंड टेल मी विच कैंडल हैज मेड डे हाई. ओके, कौन सी कैंडल ने डे हाई फॉर्म किया. ओके, दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट कैंडल 1 2 3. यू कैन काउंट. ओके, विच कैंडल मेड डे हाई. परफेक्ट, फिफ्थ कैंडल ने डे हाई फॉर्म किया. नाउ अगेन यू कैन सी व्हाट हैपेंड, अ वेरी बिग फॉल. दिस इज नॉट अ वेरी स्मॉल फॉल, ये काफी बड़ा फॉल है. सो एज अ ट्रेडर वी शुड नॉट इग्नोर. ओके, ये कैंडल का हाई भी आपको इग्नोर नहीं करना है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, अगेन आई विल ड्रॉ वन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. सो इसको हम कहेंगे सप्लाई जोन. ओके, दिस कैंडल हाई is a supply zone, this candle low is a demand zone. So next day if bank nifty break supply zone, okay, we can open long trade. Okay, we can buy call option. Demand zone break hua downside, we can go short. Okay, we can open short trade, we can buy put option, but we need to confirm this with CPR also. Okay, इसको CPR के साथ भी हम लोग confirm करेंगे. yes, तो मिडिल स्विंग भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको भी आप अविनाश जी कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. अगर ये मिडिल स्विंग ऊपर की तरफ ब्रेक हुआ तो आपका टारगेट होगा डे हाई. ओके, दिस कैन बी द टारगेट, ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. सो एट टाइम्स यू विल सी टू स्विंग्स इन अ डे. जैसे कल भी हमको दो स्विंग्स मिले थे, तो ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये ब्रेक हुआ अपसाइड, ये टारगेट रख सकते हैं आप. ओके, लुक एट दिस एग्जांपल. नाउ अगेन गाइस क्विकली फाइंड आउट डे लो. ओके, फिर से आप डे लो फॉर्म कीजिए, पता कीजिए कहां पर है. Between 12 to 12:30, 12:30 to 1. Okay, you can check where we got day low. Perfect. At 12:30 exactly, yahan se you can see a very big recovery. So again, we will draw one horizontal line. This is demand zone. Ye break hua next day, we can go short. Now look at the first candle. First candle ne kya kiya, day high form kiya, and look at the big fall. Okay, so this is supply zone. So ye level break ho gaya, we can go long. Okay, very simple. Now let me show you how we can confirm this with CPR. Okay, finally how we will open trade. Okay, how to trade. So now I will use both CPR and reversal levels. Okay. Can we add previous day high low indicator? ये CPR में आपको नहीं मिलेगा previous day high low. Okay, so you need to check manually, I guess. अगर हम ये CPR use कर रहे हैं तो. Okay, I will show you the trade on this day. Okay, ये दिन का मैं trade दिखा रहा हूँ. So first what we will do, we will develop a view using CPR. तो CPR आप यहाँ से check कीजिए. 1, 2, 3. So descending CPR, which indicates bearish bias. This is descending plus tight CPR. So this indicates we may see a short trade. So since 9:15, I can see CPR is descending plus tight. तो CPR तो 9:15 से आपको कह रहा है कि आज एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड मिल सकता है, बट वी विल वेट फॉर राइट टाइम टू टेक अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड. आपको राइट टाइम तक वेट करना है. Just because CPR is descending plus tight, okay, we will not open short trade. So what is the right time to open a short trade? When price will break previous trade. Okay, जब पिछले दिन का लो ब्रेक होगा तब आप शॉर्ट ट्रेड ओपन करेंगे. Why previous day low is important? Because of big recovery you can see. So previous day low is demand zone. तो वो लो यहां पर ब्रेक हुआ somewhere here. Okay, here you can see it break. तो यहां पर हम लोग शॉर्ट ट्रेड ओपन करेंगे. And see tight CPR worked very well. Okay, from first candle till last candle, you can see Nifty was completely one side. And look at the opening. Opening भी कहां हुई price? Can you see opening भी CPR के नीचे हुई? In first candle itself, it took resistance at CPR. Now, what should be the target stop loss? वो भी देख लेते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so this was double confirmation trade. Okay, price break previous day low. This was the first bearish sign. Plus CPR भी confirm कर रहा है. CPR is also descending plus tight. So this is double confirmation. Okay, now let's see how to open trade. See ये कैंडल ने पिछले दिन के लो को ब्रेक किया. So make sure जो भी कैंडल okay पिछले दिन के लो को ब्रेक कर रही है, that should be very strong candle. Okay, एक strong कैंडल के साथ ब्रेकआउट होना चाहिए. And we will wait for candle to get close. Okay, कैंडल के बंद होने का आपको वेट करना है. Okay, now what you can do, you can open the short trade below. Okay, this breakdown candle low. ये कैंडल के लो के नीचे आप शॉर्ट ट्रेड ओपन करेंगे. What will be your stop loss? आपका stop loss क्या होगा? See, you can keep the same candle high stop loss. Okay, यही कैंडल का आप high stop loss रख सकते हैं. Okay, to avoid volatility. Okay, to avoid volatility, what you can do, you can keep previous candle high stop loss. Okay, so at times ऐसा होगा, price will break previous day low and it will turn sideways. तो वो केस में फिर यही कैंडल का हाई हिट हो सकता है. So to avoid this type of trades, you can keep previous candle high stop loss. आप पिछली कैंडल का हाई भी स्टॉप लॉस रख सकते हैं. Okay, now what will be the target? आपका टारगेट क्या होगा? See, you can follow risk reward 1:1.5. So अगर आप 1 पॉइंट की रिस्क ले रहे हैं, if you are taking risk of 1 point, minimum profit you can expect 1.5 point. If you are taking a risk of let's say 10 points, okay, minimum profit you can expect 15 points. So risk reward you can follow 1:1.5. If you are trading multiple lots, okay, let's say you are trading in 2 lots, for example, okay, 2 lots or more than 2 lots, you can book 50% each, okay, when 1:1 is achieved, and trail your stop loss for remaining lots. Okay, बाकी lots के लिए आप stop loss trail कीजिए, okay, to your entry. If you are trading with 1 lot, you can book when 1:1 target is achieved. Okay, in this way you can trade. So I will explain this entry stop loss target using this candle high stop loss. अगर हम यही same candle का high stop loss रखते हैं, okay, so let's see how to take a trade. So this candle low is 17,499, you can see. So I will go short below 17,499, and my stop loss will be, let's say, this same candle high, okay, which is 17,542. So how many points risk I'm taking? I'm taking 43 points risk. So what should be my target? My target will be 43 into 1.5, 64 points. Okay, if I'm going for 1:1.5. So 17,499, okay, minus 64, okay, 17,434 will be the target. Okay, risk reward based on previous candle भी आप रख सकते हैं. यहाँ पर previous candle आए, this should be your stop loss. So multiple lots है तो 1:1 पे 50% बुक करेंगे. Remaining lots के लिए you can trail stop loss. Okay, back to entry. Now how to trade options? आप options में कैसे trade करेंगे? See, you will trade a ATM option. Okay, आप कौन सा option trade करेंगे? You will trade always at the money option. Okay, do not trade in the money, do not trade out the money. Okay, always trade ATM option. Why ATM option? Because can you see delta of ATM option is 0.5. Do you guys know delta of ATM strike is 0.5? Okay, जिन को पता है you can type yes. Let me see. जो ATM strike price होती है उनका delta होता है लगभग 0.5, approx 0.5. Okay, do you guys know this? Delta of ATM strike is 0.5. 0.5 means 50%. Okay, 0.5 means what? 50%. So डेल्टा आपको क्या बताता है? डेल्टा आपको बताता है कि आपके ऑप्शन प्रीमियम्स कितने से चेंज होंगे. लेट्स से निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में अगर 100 पॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट आ रहा है तो ऑप्शन प्रीमियम में कितने पॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट आएगा? तो ऑप्शन प्रीमियम में लगभग 50 पॉइंट्स का प्रीमियम आएगा. ओके, मूवमेंट आएगा. 100 का हाफ इज 50. अगर निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी 40 पॉइंट से मूव हो रहे हैं, 40 का हाफ 20. एटीएम ऑप्शन कितने से मूव होंगे? 20 पॉइंट से मूव होंगे. So that's why always trade ATM, because this will help you in deciding stop loss and target. When you trade ATM strike, deciding stop loss and target is easy because of 0.5 delta. So going back to previous example, okay, हमारा target क्या था? 64 points. अगर निफ्टी 64 points नीचे आ रहा है, निफ्टी is coming down by 64 points, then put option premium will jump by 32 points. Okay, half of 64 is how much? 32. So let's say you bought option at 100. You can start booking once you get 28 points, 30 points profit. So 128, 130 पे आप profit book कर सकते हैं. Okay, I will explain once again delta. Delta आपको बताता है आपके option premiums कितने से move होंगे. For every 1 point movement in index, okay, option premium will move by approx 0.5. 0.5 का मतलब है 50%. अगर निफ्टी 64 पॉइंट्स नीचे जाएगा तो पुट ऑप्शन लगभग 32 पॉइंट्स ऊपर जाएगा, बिकॉज हाफ ऑफ 64 इज 32. सो आप एग्जैक्ट हाफ के लिए वेट मत कीजिए. ओके, 128 130 पे आप प्रॉफिट बुक करना स्टार्ट कीजिए. ओके, वंस यू गेट 28 पॉइंट्स 30 पॉइंट्स, ओके, यू स्टार्ट बुकिंग प्रॉफिट. ओके, सो वी विल सी टुडेस एग्जांपल भी. अविनाश जी, ओके, आज के एग्जांपल पे भी आते हैं. सो वंस अगेन, what should be your stop loss? You can keep stop loss, okay, previous candle high. Okay, so अगर आपको एक safe stop loss चाहिए तो आप previous candle का high stop loss रख सकते हैं. Okay, okay, now see this one, bank nifty. So see this again, descending plus which CPR you can see? Tight. Again you can see tight CPR worked very well. Okay, when we got a short trade, when price break previous day low. Why previous day low was important? Because of big recovery previous day. So this was major reversal level. Risk to reward based on previous candle 1:1 for one lot. Okay, 1:1 आप रख सकते हैं अविनाश सर. Okay, now you guys can identify if you see any trade, do let me know. So meanwhile, I will hide the CPR so that it will be easy for you. Okay, I will go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now look at the yesterday example. आप पहले कल का example check कीजिए. Okay, do let me know if you can see any trade. Okay, this is Nifty on 5 minutes time frame. So yesterday it was 9th January. So was there any trade? Okay, type yes, no, you can type in chat box. See, this is 9th January. Okay, this is previous trading session. Okay, this is previous trading session. So which trade you can see? Okay, this is 6th January. Okay, this is 6th January. Okay, this is the day high. Okay, this is the supply zone. Now look at this big fall. Okay, एक बड़ा fall आप देख सकते हैं. See. Okay, you can see this big fall. So this was the reversal level. ये supply zone था. Okay, and this supply zone is taken out here. Okay, I will also open the graph. ठीक है, option के graph भी open करते हैं. Okay, this is the candle. Okay, now what should be your stop loss? Okay, you can keep previous candle low stop loss. Safe trade चाहिए, आप previous candle का low stop loss रख सकते हैं. Okay, this candle low stop loss you can keep. Now when we got the trade, आपको trade कब मिला? ये candle में. Okay, we will take a trade once candle high is taken out. Okay, in this candle, we got the trade 10 a.m. candle. Okay, this is the signal candle 9:55. So we will take a trade in next candle. Now tell me which strike price you will trade. Okay, ये breakout candle का high मुझे दिख रहा है 18,055. Yes, signal candle high break is necessary. 18,055 is the high. So which strike you will trade now? Okay, which strike you will trade? ATM, मैं strike price का नाम बताइए. Strike price का number बताइए. Sorry, 18,050. Perfect. So what we can do? We can open 18,050. Okay, you will trade weekly expiry. Thursday के दिन what you can do? You can trade next week expiry. Okay, Thursday के दिन आप next week की expiry trade कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो ऑप्शन में भी ट्रेड कब मिलेगा आपको? 10 AM. ओके, ऑप्शन में भी आपको सेम कैंडल में ट्रेड मिलेगा. ओके, सी हियर. सॉरी. ओके, ओके, दिस इज 9:55. दिस इज सिग्नल कैंडल. ओके, लुक एट द हाई एंड लो ऑफ सिग्नल कैंडल. जल्दी से हाई लो चेक कीजिए सिग्नल कैंडल का. ओके, 105 एंड 96. सो कितने पॉइंट्स की रेंज बनी है? सॉरी, वी विल टेक अ ट्रेड अबव 105. ओके, अगर आप स्टॉप लॉस प्रीवियस कैंडल का लो रख रहे हैं तो कैन यू सी स्टॉप लॉस इज कमिंग 87.55. ओके, 105 के ऊपर लॉन्ग ट्रेड एंड यू कैन कीप स्टॉप लॉस 87. कितने पॉइंट्स की रेंज हुई अभी? इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर प्रीवियस कैंडल लो स्टॉप लॉस, सो ऑलमोस्ट 18 पॉइंट्स. सो योर टारगेट शुड बी 18 पॉइंट्स फॉर वन लॉट. मल्टीपल लॉट्स हैं तो आप 1.5 भी रख सकते हैं टारगेट. ओके, 1:1.5. यू कैन बुक 50% वंस यू गेट 18 पॉइंट्स एंड रिमेनिंग 50% के लिए यू कैन ट्रेड स्टॉप लॉस. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is how you can trade in options also. Okay, this is Bank Nifty example, today's example. Okay, ये आज का example Bank Nifty. I will hide CPR so that you can easily see. Okay, see now. This is Bank Nifty. Okay. So in this candle, you can see we got the trade. Okay. If you are keeping stop loss previous candle high, then you got very good trade today. Okay. In this candle, we got the trade. Okay, now what you can do the back testing. Okay, जो आज आपने सीखा, you can do the back testing and see how this setup is doing. Okay, and once you feel confidence, then you can start trading based on this setup. Okay, I can show you many examples. Okay, काफी सारे examples हैं. Okay, if you want to see more examples, so I have a complete PPT for this. Okay, one important point. Okay, we will understand here. See, this is Nifty 8th December. Okay, look at this is supply zone and this is demand zone. So demand zone is day high. Can you see we got very big recovery? This was a good reversal. And supply zone, again, you can see we got downfall. Now, how to take a trade? आप next day कब long trade open करेंगे? कब short trade open करेंगे? Do let me know. Type in chat box. When to take a long trade? When to take a short trade? 9th December को long trade कब open करना है? Short trade कब open करना है? अविनाश जी, today's example अभी तो हमने चेक किया. ओके, ओके, यहाँ पर एरोस भी मार्क किए. ओके, ये कैंडल ने लो ब्रेक किया है. इसी कैंडल का हाई स्टॉप लॉस रखते हैं तो यहाँ पर ट्रिगर हुआ है. प्रीवियस कैंडल का हाई स्टॉप लॉस रखेंगे तो ट्रेड अच्छा वर्क किया. राइट. सो what if Sekhar sir tomorrow you get a gap up gap down opening? What you will do in that case? Let's say tomorrow Nifty directly open above 18,625. Tomorrow if Nifty directly open above 18,625, so we will not trade. Okay, because we want breakouts during the live market. Okay, 18,625, 18,537. ये लाइव मार्केट में ब्रेक होने चाहिए। ओके, सो अगर गैप अप गैप डाउन खुल रहा है, ओके, डू नॉट ट्रेड। इफ प्राइस ओपन डायरेक्टली बिलो 18537, okay, do not go short. If price open directly above 18625, okay, do not go long. Now see what happened on this day. We got gap up opening, price directly open above 18625, okay, then price came down, then it break previous day with very strong candle. So now you can go short. अब आप short trade ले सकते हैं. Okay, we are not getting much information from CPR. Can you see CPR is at same level? Okay, कल का CPR आज का CPR same लग रहा है. So we are not getting any clarity from CPR. So CPR same level पे देखें, मतलब it is saying sideways. CPR sideways कह रहा है. But you can see this, it break previous day low with one very strong candle. Then you can go short. Okay, see this one. Look at a very strong breakout. एक काफी strong candle ने पिछले दिन का high break किया है. See, from previous day high you can see we got downtrend. This was the reversal level. एक strong candle के साथ break हुआ है and one side trade. Plus CPR was also tight, ascending plus tight. Okay, here you can see ascending CPR. Okay, ascending CPR, break previous day high and uptrend. Okay, look at what happened previous day. From first candle we got fall. So this was supply zone. Okay, ये supply zone यहाँ पर break हुआ. Plus CPR was also ascending. Okay, we got a long trade. Staker sir, previous candle low you will keep stop loss always. Okay, previous candle high, previous candle. Okay, see descending CPR. We should look for short trade. We can look for short trade on this day. We can look for short trade on this day. See. Okay, this is descending CPR. It break previous day low and good trade we got on downside. Descending plus tight. Okay, short trade in this candle. Yeah, if it's more than 100 points, see, you need to ask yourself if you can afford that much risk. Okay, then you can go ahead. Otherwise, you can avoid. Okay, not necessary. We have to take a trade. Now, take for this example. If we are following previous candle high stop loss, I will not go for this trade. A very huge stop loss is coming. So at times you can also avoid. Okay, now tell me guys how you find today's setup. आज का setup आपको कैसा लगा? You can share the feedback. Okay, was it simple or you find very complex? Okay, you can type in chat box. Let me see how you find today's setup. Okay, how you find today's setup. So as I told you in the beginning, it is very easy to learn today's setup, very easy to learn, easy to implement in live market. Okay, you can practice, you can observe. Okay, this setup, I can share the PPT also with you. Okay, so you can watch, these examples again and again. Yes, I will provide you the recording, Abhishek sir. Okay, आपको recording मिल जाएगी. Now, guys, let's say if you are interested in learning some more setups, अगर आपको कुछ और setups भी सीखने, yes, we also teach in live market, especially on every Thursday we have a live session. Okay, वहां पर हम लोग option chain analysis करते हैं, and we look for option writing on expiry day. Thank you, Raju sir. So now, guys, if you wish to learn, many more setups, we have Traders Conclave program. Okay, upcoming, which will start from 16th January. Okay, and it will last till 28th January. So these are the setups. Okay, I will cover in this trading conclave. So we will start from Monday. Okay, Monday ko I will cover option buying setup for Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, momentum option buying setup. So ye setup mein what we do, we basically combine, CPR and RSI, because RSI is a momentum indicator. So we combine CPR and RSI, and this setup also worked very well. Okay, this I will cover. Okay, timing is 9 PM for all sessions. Okay, then you will learn one momentum setup for stocks. Okay, how to catch momentum stocks. Okay, that we will cover on day 2. Day 3 I will cover how to trade gaps. अगर कोई भी stock gap के साथ खुल रहा है, gap up, gap down, gap up failed. So I will cover total 3 setups. and I will share these scanners with you so that stock selection becomes very easy. Okay, so जो भी setup stocks के ऊपर है उसके लिए मैं आपको scanner दूंगा. Okay, day 4 we will learn price action trading in Nifty Bank Nifty. So again we will use CPR because CPR works very well when it comes to index. Okay, day 5 you will learn option selling setups. I will also cover option writing in this program. So if you are interested in option writing, okay, you can do option writing on every Thursday. So this is Bank Nifty expiry day. You don't have to do analysis. आपको analysis करने की need नहीं है. Yes, CPR also works well in stocks also. Okay, day 6 I will cover again Bank Nifty rule based short straddle setup. So you will also get the backtesting report. Okay, so you can check how setups are doing. Day 7 we will learn swing trading. Okay, I will cover one swing trading setup on weekly time frame. Okay, day 8 I will cover swing trading setup on daily time frame, again for stocks. Okay, day 9 is option chain analysis. Okay, so this I will cover in live market. ठीक है, ये live market में भी हम ले सकते हैं. So we will have this session on last day. Then every Thursday, okay, I will conduct live market session for you. Okay, I will show you how to read option chain data in live market and how to plan trades. Okay, that we will have every Thursday live market session. And once we finish this program, okay, we will also have a weekly review sessions. Okay, how setup has done. तो उसके weekly review sessions भी आपको मिलेंगे. So if you see, this is actually my weekly review presentation. तो ऐसे आपको weekly review sessions भी मिलेंगे once we finish this program. Okay, so if anyone is interested, what I will do, I will share the link with you. Okay, I can share the link in chat box. You can do the enrollment. Okay, fees for this program is 1500. Okay, 1500. Okay, you can also download our app. Okay, we have an app called Trading with Charts. So when you click on the link, okay, this page will open. Okay, let me show you. Okay, the fees for program is 1500, 1499, 1500. We will start from 16th January. Okay, when you click on the link, okay, this page will open. And today's session recording is here. Okay, it is available. You can watch, okay, this recording. Nifty Bank Nifty major reversal setup under free content. Okay, so you can click on the link. You can do the enrollment. You will get the recordings, PPTs. Okay, lifetime access you will get here. Okay, in our app. तो ये recording PPT सब मैं यहाँ पर upload करूँगा once I cover session one by one. So you will have recordings with you lifetime. Yes, Jitendra ji, you will get the recording. Okay, app name is Trading with Charts. Okay, I will type in chat box. So you will get this from Play Store. Okay, this is Android app. And you will get the recording, Jitendra ji, for all sessions. Okay, lifetime access you will have. So in this program, Traders Conclave, okay, we will cover everything. इसमें intraday setups भी cover होंगे. Okay, ORG code JPTKX you can type. Okay. ORG code is JPT. Yes, all sessions will be at 9 o'clock. Yes, live market session, as I told you, once we finish the program, Mesh ji, we will have a live sessions every Thursday. And weekly review session. Okay, how these setups have done. Okay, तो हम लोग weekly review session रखेंगे बैंक निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में setups ने पूरे हफ्ते में कैसे काम किया. Okay. Yes, you can join via app. Okay, I've shared the link. This is the app link only. You can click here. Okay, sessions duration will be like maximum, I will say 60 to 90 minutes. And after that, you will get the support. Okay, lifetime support you will keep on getting. So once again, you can look at the program. You can take screenshot if you wish. Okay, so these are the 9 sessions we will have. So in this 9 sessions, it will be covered everything. Okay, intraday trading setups for Nifty, Bank Nifty, intraday trading setups for stocks. Okay, ऑप्शन राइटिंग सेटअप्स भी कवर होंगे, ऑप्शन चेन डेटा भी कवर होगा इसमें, स्विंग ट्रेडिंग सेटअप्स भी कवर होंगे. Yes, Ajay sir, you can drop me a message on my number. Okay, I will share the link with you. Okay, so we will start from 16th Jan and all sessions will be from 9 o'clock. Okay, you will get recordings, PPT, weekly review sessions every Thursday. Okay, we will have a live market session. Okay, hedging strategy. Okay, I will cover for you, Sekhar sir. If you want hedging strategy, I will cover. Okay, so we will have a day 10 also. I will cover hedging strategy for. Yes, contact number you can note down. ORG code is JPTKX. Okay, here you can see the ORG code in chat box. Okay, any doubts, guys? Any queries? If you have, you can ask. Yes, Ajay sir. No, Sekhar sir. So I will share two option writing strategies. Okay, can you see here? This is naked option. I will share with you how to sell naked option on expiry day. And day 6, I will cover short strategy. Yes, day 7, day 8, I will cover swing trading setup for stocks. Okay, day 9, we will have an option chain. Day 10, I will also keep a day 10 for hedging strategy. We will cover like protective call, protective put. Okay, that we will cover. So we will also add day 10 for you guys, where I will cover protective call and protective put strategy. So protective call, protective put is like hedging. Okay, Sekhar sir, if you cannot trade in office hours, you can plan swing trades. Okay, you can plan swing trades at that time. And you can also go for rule-based setups. Okay, so in rule-based setups, you just need to find out, 5 to 10 minutes, execute the order, and you can busy in your own work. So you can do swing trading. Okay, you can go for rule-based setup so that you don't have to sit in front of screen, okay, throughout the day. This commodity trading is also good. So in commodity market, mostly you will see a very big move after 5 o'clock. Okay, maybe after 6, 7. Okay, we get a very good momentum. So you can also do commodity trading. So for commodity, you can refer hourly time frame. Okay, do the analysis on hourly time frame. Okay, hourly time frame works very well for crude oil, for natural gas. So here you can see this is crude oil graph. I will show you on hourly time frame. See. Okay, see. Okay, this is the support zone for crude oil. So below 6080, okay, we can expect 6020 level. Okay, below 6020, crude oil will be very bearish. Okay, you can get a very good trade below 6020 level. So you can observe these levels on hourly time frame. Okay, the name of program is Traders Conclave. Okay, you can also do the enrollment via app. Okay, Traders Conclave is the name of program. And every setup will be simple, just like today we had the setup. Okay, easy to learn, easy to implement all setups. Okay, any doubts, any queries, guys, you can ask. Yes, today's session, I will send you the recording. Okay, Ranjit ji, you can just text me. I do not know if you are in group which we have created or not. So you can text me on this number. I will share the recording with you. How to book seat, I will paste the link, okay, for you in chat box. So click on the link and do the enrollment. Okay, Tilak sir, you can click on this link and you can do the enrollment. Okay, under free content also you can find the recording. So if you click on this link, Traders Conclave, okay, go to content, and under free content you will find today's session recording, Nifty, Bank Nifty major reversal setup. Okay, you can watch this video. Yes, win rate, as I told you, when you use this today's session with CPR, okay, win rate will be 60-65%.